What is money? And what is a bank? George Orwell, in 1984, openly stated that the most effective way to destroy people is to deny and obliterate their own understanding of history. If you give a man a chance to write history, they'll write it in accord with the desires of their own hearts, and they'll paint it however they want it to be. The banks poses as a mediator that charges you a fee for keeping your money, but that is a facade. Think of a bank as a capital investment firm and a Ponzi scheme. They were given power by the government to create money out of thin air through fractional reserve banking. Now, the question is, what is fractional reserve banking? In simple terms, when you deposit 100 Rand in a bank, they can lend out 10 times the initial value. This means they create 900 Rand out of thin air. And the real money is being created as people pay interest on the loan that are acquired from the banks. This allows them to arrogate supremacy upon the land. Let's date back to 753 BC. A first institute was founded by Romulus and Remus during the Roman era. The first money used was cow by King Augeas, who had 3,000 cows in treasury, of which was utilized as a medium of exchange that we call money. This was short-lived and later replaced by Esrud, the rough metal, where they used copper or bronze that was stamped and had different weights, of which serve as a measure of currency. Now, what is money? Well, it was derived from the temple of Juno Monera, of which Patricia visited, and served as the introduction of Silver Age in 267 BC. Now, the Gold Age, which also proceeded in 27 BC, and a Tallistic during the reign of King Henry II. Now, the fiat system, the Ponzi scheme, it began in England the 1st of June 1694. That was preceded by the pamphlets that William Peterson wrote. The transcription read, "A brief account of the intended Bank of England." And that was a boisterous approach. They had the sole purpose of introducing usury to the king along with the Jews, which later on introducing rates and came about with VATs, which were imposed upon the people. I will tell you more on another video about the incidences like the Magna Carta, genocides, and wars that this encounter aroused. If you follow the trail of money, you know where the trail of blood is coming from. And my friends, remember that I'm cheering for you from afar. Let's keep on winning.